Hello guys, so today we're going to take one of these boxes like gift boxes from Dollar Tree and we're going to spray paint it in gold. We're going to put the top at the bottom part like that, and then we're going to take a ribbon and just place it like a gold ribbon, attach it with hot glue around it like that. Then after you attach it, we're going to take another white and attach it around it. Take some floral foam, put hot glue on top, and then we're going to place it right inside, hold it into place so it can attach into the box. After that, they have this little scrub like for the bathroom in Dollar Tree, and this in the kids in the baby section. So I'm just gonna put a stick through it and just stick it through the head like that. Perfect. Then once you do that, put a little bit of hot glue and then attach the stick in there like that. Then after that, cut the stick just to put it through it so it won't be as tall. Then go ahead, grab your flower, put a stick inside as well, and then just cut it to whatever size, the smaller size, and then just place it inside like that. So we're just gonna continue putting different flowers. I'm gonna do some white and some of this like pinkish color. So I'm gonna place all the flower all the way around it until I filled out the whole thing with flowers. I'm gonna take this baby sign and place it on the side like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take this clear balloon. I'm just gonna place it inside this balloon stick holder. To hold this type of balloons, you have to put it through and then put some tape around it and then just attach it into place like that. Then after that, just go ahead and place it in the back like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is so beautiful for a baby shower centerpiece, and it's inexpensive and easy that you guys can do. This is the first idea. For the next idea, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the same little teddy bear, and I'm gonna just place it inside on the side, and then I'm gonna take flour and place it in the other side like that. So just fill out the whole side and the back with flowers. I'm gonna do like white flowers. You could do different colors if you guys would like. Then I'm gonna take these cute little white little flowers as well, and I'm just gonna place it around it like that just to make it stand down, look a little bit better. Then go ahead and put the sign "Oh Baby" at the top, and then just go ahead and fill out the back of the centerpiece. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This came out so pretty. I love how it turns out, and it's so easy and so inexpensive that you guys can do it at home. And this can be for a baby shower, or you can even do it for party decorations. Now, for the next idea, I'm going to take the flowers out because we're going to do a little bit different, and we're going to do it for a boy um baby shower, like a blue type of thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with blue flowers all the way around. Then I'm going to put the little white flowers as well in the inside. And then I'm going to take one of this candle holder, put a little bit of hot glue, and then we're going to go ahead and place it in the back like that and attach it to the floor foam like that. Then once you do that, we're going to take the hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue around the candle holder and place a glass on top like that. Then just attach it into place, and then just go ahead and fill it up with flour all the way around it. Then if you in here, then you could use two different candles. You could just put a regular candle, you could use a floating candle. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so simple, and so easy. So remember this beautiful glass we got in the thrift store? So I'm going to use it this time. So I'm going to measure it, and it's like 7 inches. And I'm going to take some vinyl. I'm going to take it in pink. I'm going to measure it, and I'm going to take half of 7, which is 3.5. So I'm just going to measure it and then mark it down. And then after I mark it down, I'm going to take a box, so you can use a ruler, whatever you have available. Then just place it there to make a straight line like that. Then after you make your straight line, take your scissor and you're going to cut it out. So just go ahead and cut out the whole thing because we're going to use all of it. Then after that, I'm going to do the same thing I did with a pink one. I'm going to do with a blue one. Then just go ahead and flip your glass and take your vinyl out like that. And the best way to attach it is just to hold it like that, and then place it in the glass like that, and then just touch it like that so it can stay into place. Then cut out the extra pieces, and then you're gonna continue doing this in the other side in pink. So I'm gonna do this to the whole thing all around the pink and blue. Then I got this balloon stick, and I'm going to use 2 of the balloon stick holders. So I'm going to put one on top and one on the bottom. But before I put the one, both of them, I'm going to just measure it to see how high I want it, and then just cut it out however high you want it to be. Then go ahead and take the top out and place it inside. Then I'm going to grab my hot glue, and I'm going to put some hot glue, and make sure to put enough here because you have to hold it into place really good. Then I'm going to place my flower inside. So I'm going to place some pink, and then I'm also going to place some blue one because we're doing a gender reveal decorations. Then I got this sign that says "Oh Baby." You can get a sign that says boy or girl. I couldn't find it, so I'm going to use the "Oh Baby" sign. So I'm going to place it in the middle, and make sure you do it straight not crooked like me. So then after you place it in the middle, I'm gonna take this tissue. This one you don't have to do it if you find something else to put inside the balloon, but I couldn't find nothing to pop it, so I took some tissues. This is an expensive way. I'm gonna cut it into pieces like that, and then just go ahead and cut the whole napkin out into pieces. Make sure to make it very small, and then cut it like that so little pieces can come out just like that. And make sure to make enough of this. Then after you do that, I'm gonna take my balloon, and I took this part of solo light from outside. You could take anything that you have that it has to hold like that, and then just go ahead and place your blue and use a stick just to move it inside, and then just fill it up. Then after that, I'm gonna take my balloon and blow it out just like that. You can make it as big as you want. Then go ahead and place it on the top, and after then put some flour at the top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. But of course I couldn't leave you guys just as that, so I'm gonna pop it. So my daughter, I have my daughter over here pop it for you, and it's a boy, which is a great idea for a gender reveal. I think this is another way that you guys can do it. It could be for decorations, for a table centerpiece, or you can also use this for a baby shower. Just put the color. I did it with the balloons. You decide which one you guys like to do. You know, I like to show you guys different stuff and how to do it. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of these clear container from Dollar Tree's, like a candy containers. I'm gonna spray paint it and go like this. Then after that, I'm gonna grab a floral foam. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue around it like that, and then place it inside, hold it into place, into it attached. Then after that attached, I'm gonna take these branches. I'm just gonna twist it like that, just to cut it out like that, so I can have a lot of pieces. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside. Then just continue filling it out with your greenery until you do the whole thing all the way around it. Then after that, I'm gonna take some of these white flowers. I'm gonna put this to a stick in it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the floor foam like that. You could also attach with a little bit of hot glue the flowers into the stick, and so it won't fall. Then put some different colors. I'm gonna do some pink around. I'm gonna take this balloon stick, and I'm gonna spray paint it in gold. Then after that, after I spray paint it in gold, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right in the middle. Then I'm gonna take my it's one of these balloons, clear balloon that you have to stretch it out. So you just go ahead and stretch it out. For this balloon, I will put it on the link on top so you guys can purchase it if you guys would like it. Then I went ahead and I cut it because I want to make a big hole. I use my air pump as well, and this air pump is so great for you. And if you're doing any party or decorations, so you could blow your balloons. Then I cut it like that, the balloon. I'm gonna put some Mod Podge inside like that. Just go ahead and place it inside, and then just go ahead and rub it around like that so it could go spread out all the way into the balloons. Then after that, I'm gonna take one of these container that they have in Dollar Tree that you could put stuff through it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my glitter. This is just to make it easier to place it inside. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in there like that. Then after that, just go ahead and spread it around like that. Just move it around so it can attach into place into the balloon. And this will make the glue clear out. Then go ahead and grab your balloon pump, and then just blow it out like that. And it turns out just like that, super cute and easy. Then just go ahead and tie your balloon out like that. Then after you tie it, just go ahead and grab one of these little, you could grab a teddy bear or whatever you guys would like. Just put a little bit of hot glue and attach it to the balloon stick just like that to hold it into place like that. Then after you hold the little teddy bear on top, just gonna go ahead and grab your balloon, and we're gonna go ahead and place it right on top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is so cute, so easy, and so inexpensive. And this could be done for any party decoration, not just a baby shower. You could do it for a birthday party or whatever you guys are doing it for. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them, and which one will you do on your party decorations or table decorations that you guys are doing. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please do not forget to share, send it to somebody or friends if you think they doing a baby shower and you think they could do this for their birthday party. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video. Until next time.